Hi there, it's Alexandra with WTI, and I want to show you what was my favorite book during my early teenage years. It is The Outsiders by S.E. Hinton. I remember when I read this book, I was completely obsessed with it. I thought about it during months, and it was an assigned reading for the class that I belonged to, and not only was I obsessed with it, but the rest of my classmates were as well. So I knew that I had to get a special copy of The Outsiders, and that is exactly what I did. It's this beautiful platinum edition by Speak. As you can see, it has a beautiful cover and it has some beautiful silver details. And not only is the book beautiful on the outside, it is beautiful on the inside as well. And basically, The Outsiders tells the story of differences between society. On one hand, we have a group called the Greasers, and on the other side, we have another group called the Socials or the Socks. And we can see how the growing rivalry between them leads them to several challenges. But we can see several themes in The Outsiders, such as friendship, family, how some friends become stronger than family, and how much we're willing to sacrifice for those that we love. And that is my point of view.